teach me the data-driven way. What is that? What does that mean in digital marketing?
Yeah, well, first of all, thank you for having me. I think marketing online and marketing in the digital age is quite different from what we had offline. So the biggest difference is not all the mediums that are out there, the different methods that you can use. I think the fundamental shift here is that we have actual data to work with in order to improve our marketing, to optimize our marketing. So if you think of a retail store, you might have people coming in and looking at products, but then leaving your retail store, buying something, or doing some other kind of action. And that was the end of it, at least in the offline world. In the online world, we actually can measure all of this stuff. People coming to our website, people clicking on certain things, looking at certain things, and then leaving or buying something. And that's how we can really measure the success of our marketing campaigns, how many people were actually driven to the website, how many people then clicked on something, how many people put something into the cart and then ultimately bought, and how successful was this. And this new way of digital marketing is really where the difference lies, because we can use data to really drive our marketing and improve it. And that's the data-driven way of digital marketing.